So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we will be discussing about a Syntex plastic share. So in my previous videos we have discussed about Reliance Communications as well as Future Retail. So people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. So today in this video we'll see the complete fundamentals as well as the technicals of the Syntex plastic share. Okay. So watch the video till the end so that you will not miss any update on this particular share. And whichever share you have any doubt or you want any analysis, so do mention in the comment section. So we'll have a discussion so that your doubt as well as confusion on that particular company will be cleared. Okay. So that is the main intention of asking you about the any share in the comment section. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, if you see the Syntex plastic share, you can see current price of it is around 2.74. Currently, it's in a correction mode. We know that few months back it was in a full swing. It has given good movement, and later it started correcting. It has taken a support near one level that I'll discuss in the technical chart. And today also it has shown some downward movement. So if you see the stock price, if we compare with the last 4 years, you can see from 2016 the stock has shown a continuous downward movement. So what's the reason for the downward movement? So there are two main reasons for the downward movement. So first thing is that the CFO of the company, when he resigned the particular company, the stock has shown a downward movement. And second most important thing is about the financials of the company, that is the profits as well as revenues of the company. So when the profits and revenues started decreasing, okay, the share price also started falling. Okay, we'll see that in fundamental analysis. And the first thing was the CFO. So when CFO resignation happened, then the stock has shown a huge correction. Okay, so those were only the two main negative things of the company. Okay, apart from that, you can see it belongs to the plastics sector. You know that it is also ranked in fourth position. If you see the sector, you can see almost there are 12 to 14 companies and it is ranked fourth in that. Okay, we'll see the other that is the sector PE and compare it with the current PE. Okay, now let's see the products of this Syntex plastics. Okay, if you see the products, whenever Syntex name comes, all of you know that it about the water tanks. So one of the major business is the water storage tanks that all the houses have. Next thing is about the electrical and SMC products. Third one is the environmental and green solutions, that is the wastage storage, dustbins, whatever we call. So when we see outside, most of them are made up of Syntex, and another is of industrial tanks as well. Okay, so these are the major things. Another thing is also about the auto parts. Most of the plastics which are involved in auto parts, those are also done by Syntex. So completely diverse business we can see in this sector. Okay, also when Swachh Bharat comes in mind, we know that Mr. Narendra Modi also told that we need to separate the waste, like dry waste as well as wet waste. So for that, these things, dustbins come into major play. So that was the main reason the business was also shooting up in middle. Okay. Okay, next when we see the market cap of the company is around 167.22 crore. If you see dividend is not given by the company. Next, if you see industry P is around 25. Industry P is 25 and there is no PE for the company right now. Because why no PE? Because the company is reporting losses. So PE is calculated only when the company generates a profit. So whenever profit comes, then only we can calculate the PE. And rest of all, book value we can see around 56. It's trading way less than its book value. I can see deliveries are also 100%. So everything is okay. Only PE is not there, that is company should generate a profit. So that was the second reason that I told you in the starting of the video. Okay, now let's see the shareholding. Okay, if you see the shareholding, you can see that promoters are having only 13.11%. If you compare it with the previous quarter, you can see almost 30.46% was present with them. And if you compare way back, you can see 33.74% was there. So promoter holding is decreasing. So this is also a negative thing for the particular company. So whenever promoter is increasing stake, then only we can say that he is having a hope on the company. Yes or no? When he's showing interest in the company, then only investors or retailers, they will show interest towards that company. So this thing should be taken as little negative from the company management side. Okay, and if you see, pledging is also decreasing. If you compare pledging, there is a very good decrease in pledging from 70, 67 and later 24% pledging. Okay, pledging is decreasing, a good indication. Only the promoters need to show some importance towards the company and increase their stake. Next, if you see, total DIs are having around 14.01, FIIs 0.47, and no mutual fund holdings as well as insurance company. So no one have yet invested a bulk amount in this company. Okay, now let's see the basic what are the weaknesses, strengths and opportunities which are available in this company. Right now you can see there are no strengths for the company, there are weaknesses. That is, first thing is that a degrowth in revenue as well as profit. And if you see, the debt on the particular company is only 24 crore which is present on the company, which is a moderate debt. If the debt is also cleared, then definitely it will be a debt free company. For that, it should generate some profits. Okay, next, company with growing cost year on year and long term projects, and ROE is declining and ROE is also declining as well. Okay, so major thing you can find in this data is that the financial, that is the profit and revenue. So these are only the two main things that the company should focus in order to generate a good and healthy movement in the future. Okay, so what are the opportunities? We'll see that as well. Okay, if you see the opportunities, you can see that RSI is indicating little price strength, high recovery from 52-week low, and we can see stock is less than, P is less than 10. Okay, but we can, one good thing is that on quarter the company is showing some improvement. Okay, the losses or whatever the revenue, some slight decrease is there, revenue slight increase is there. So the company should improve. Okay, it's on verge of its improvement, so little time and patience is required. So I'll update everything in the Telegram. Whenever any news or update comes, immediately I'll make a video. Okay, so that's my promise on this particular share. Okay, next, what are the threats? We'll see that. Okay, if you see the threats, you can see company with negative growth and promoters decreasing shareholding. So that I discussed earlier only, that the promoters are decreasing the shareholding and negative growth. So these are only the basic negatives that are found in the company. Okay, now let's see the technicals and we'll conclude the video. Okay, before that, when we see the returns of the company, you can see almost 1 year minus 56% returns, 6 months 140% returns, 3 months only it has doubled your investment, and 1 month and 1 week you can see 8.16 as well as 1.92. Okay, 2 years a negative of 91% returns. So in short term, we can see it has given a very good returns. You can see almost all the penny stocks. Okay, when they start hitting upper circuit, again they start hitting lower circuit. So that's what I'm telling. If you start understanding about the business, and when only the profits start increasing for the company, then only you need to invest in heavy amount. Till that time, you need to invest in small amount, and you need to test all the stocks. Any stock may click and definitely you may get a good amount of profit. Never ever invest a heavy amount at a time in any stock. Okay, now let's see the technicals. Okay, you can see the technical. So this is the 1 day chart. So current market price is around 2.74, and you can see a support here around 2.4. You can see a very good support from where it has started retracing at this particular point. Also, I have updated in the Telegram that you can invest in small quantities. Later it has gone to 2.74. Now again it started correcting, and again immediate support will be the same 2.4. When it reaches that level, then definitely I'll update in the Telegram as well. Okay, so you can see good pattern here. You can see good pattern here. A support will be formed here at this particular level, so definitely I will update in the Telegram. So if you're not followed, if you're not into Telegram, definitely you can follow me in Telegram as well. Okay, So what about money flow index? Money flow index is also showing some correction will be possible, and you need to wait patiently. If you invest in stock also, there will be nothing to lose. Almost if it go to 1 rupee also, you can invest at that level as well. Okay, next we'll see on 1 week chart. Okay, in 1 week chart also we can see a very good support at a 2.21, and we also have the 20 EMA at that particular level. Okay, you can see the past, if you back test it, you can see how the 20 EMA is respected by the stock. When it has touched this 20 EMA, you can see how much movement was given by this stock. So again, when it comes to this level, again a good movement may be possible. Okay, I'll update that whenever you want. We'll discuss in the telegram, or we will discuss in the comment section. So whenever you're investing any stock, discussion is very important. So when you put some points, and when I discuss something about that, so when mutual understanding will be there, then only we'll have a clarity about the company. So that's what I wanted to tell you all. Okay, we can see money flow index also showing still it's in overbought zone only. So company wise business is very good, only the profit and revenue as well as a good management should be employed, so that for the future a good move will be possible. Okay, so this is all about Sintex Plastics. So next video will be very interesting. Okay, so stay tuned. So until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.